Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we're gonna play dominoes. What is dominoes? It's a game.
It's a game.
And there are many pieces. Draw 7 tiles. You put them up in a way that your friend won't see your tile. Okay. Good. Now we're gonna begin. Jingshan, tell us what's domino.
Dominoes is small bricks that have dots on.
It's like a brick, isn't it? Yeah, have dots. What does dots represent?
They represent numbers.
Numbers. Okay, tell me. Why are we playing this game, Jinghan?
Learn math.
Learn math. And Jiaying.
Learn to listen.
Learn to listen to instruction and the rules. You're right.
Learning to be patient.
Learn to be patient. How so?
Like you are patient to see where you put the cards. Not
Learn
the cards.
strategies.
Yeah.
Okay, and be patient means wait for your turn. Yang Ming, is this your first time playing this game?
Second time.
Second time. What do you think about this game? Why it is designed for children?
Because it is tricky.
Do you have?
I think it's easy.
Easy. Do you have your particular strategies?
I can fall down to do it.
Really? Okay. Exil, is it your first time playing this game?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. Why it is so fun?
Because I can play with friends.
You can play with friends. And Jia Huang, welcome to Language Art Workshop for Real. High five, dude. Okay, is it your first time playing with friends like this game? What do you think?
Happy.
Happy. And do you know how to play well now? Okay, ready? Okay, I'm gonna start. And don't think too long here. Second person, please. Go. Second person. Exhale, go. Yes. Number 1 or number 8. Got it. That's what I said. This end or this end only. Nothing in the middle. Next person, who's number 3? You. Okay, go. Number 3. Oh, you have double 4. When is this double, you go this way. So we know it's double.
Oh.
Got it? Don't think too long. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Choose this. Oh, double 5.
Yep, that will work. Okay. Anything? 6 or 8.
She has double 6.
If you don't have, then you say pass.
Pass.
That's it. Next. Don't think too long, girl. Come on. Is it correct? You're right. You have any other? You got it. Good one. You look. Can this be connected? No. You need to be blank. No? You have any blank?
She has.
Oh, then use the blank. Got it. We finished the game. Tell me before you go home, how do you feel about the dominoes game? Start with Sushan. And how do you feel about playing this game? Confused. Right? Am I right? Okay. First round is like that. Good job. Yang Ming, how do you feel?
I feel happy.
You feel happy. It's something new to you, right, today? Exil?
What?
It's okay. Jia Huang, your turn, please.
Tough and happy.
Did you say tough and happy?
Tough and
Good word. It is tough for you, who will never play before. And you?
challenging.
Challenging. Wow. And Jinghan?
Math.
Good. You learn a lot today how to count. That's it, guys. Thank you for playing with us. Say bye-bye. Okay, boys. Jia Huang, what are you eating now? I'm having Mandarin orange. And Yang Ming, what are you eating?
I'm eating pretzel.
All right, sweet corn. And Exil, what are you having? Look yummy. Wrap. Vegetarian wrap. Can you say vegetarian wrap?
Vegetarian wraps.
Wraps. Okay, good. Enjoy your snack. And girls, hello. Hi, what are you having? What are you having?
Probably biscuits.
Let me see. Chocolate chip. And how about you? Chocolate milk. Jinghan, what are you having? What's your favorite flavor?
My favorite is strawberry. My favorite is strawberry.
Strawberry.
On
Yummy.
Don't
You eat very fast. And you eat orange like apple. Oh my goodness. Look at you. How come you eat orange like apple?
It's too small, cannot.
It's still too big for one bite. Yeah. Okay, go wash hand, guys. Wash hands.